certified. $3. Pick your team number 9. If you guys are watching this or on the replay, this is going to be our last $3 that I'm offering. I am going to offer a $6 certified break. It's going to go in the store right after this break. Good luck. Guess the first number to 25 or better for $40 in Blez Bucks credits. Go. And if not, I guess it's a $60 guess in the next one. Yeah, go enjoy. Let me know, TJ. Trust me, if there's any like slot tips I can provide you, let me know. Whether or not you believe in slot tips or not, I believe in it for sure. When I see the signs on Dragon Link and Lightning Link, I would say 70% of the time, I'll drain the machine. Literally, like I'll drain it, I'll hit it for a 60 credit, 80 credit, 100 credit, 120 credit win. But sometimes it requires me to put in 30, 40, 50 credits if you catch my drift. So sometimes it's not worth it, sometimes it is. Hey, what up, GC Kobe? What's up, Jakey? Steve, what up, Stevie? Husker! I know that name. If Husker gets the guess, I don't know. If Husker gets the guess, we gotta check your CT scanner. What's up, boys? Morning. The gang is here. Oh, this one feels kind of thin. Nope, it's all there. What's up, Code? Guys, a lot of you guys are coming in the room. So, yeah, just to kind of give everybody a heads up, and I'm going to kind of preach this a little bit, guys. Guam Chief! Guam Chief! What's up? Good morning. Yes, I'm a morning guy. I'm a morning guy, yes. I'm a morning guy. You guys know these things. I'm definitely a morning guy. When it comes to having fun in the morning, snowboarding, hanging out with you guys, I'm a morning guy. Other than that, fuck that. Other than that, I'm in bed. I'm rather be playing video games or something. What's up, Evan? But yeah, so a couple things, quick updates, guys, as I'm opening these packs. Quick updates. So I did have a chance to talk to Backer yesterday, guys. So the direction on this channel, tomorrow is my 2-month anniversary on this channel. Like that. So the direction is we're going to see more hobby products on the channel, guys. Of course, it's still going to be in lesser formats. But we might also start, you know, getting in some of the mid-tier products as well. So prices will be slightly, like, you know, again, when I say slightly higher, for this channel, it's going to be slightly higher, you know. It's going to be in that Prism hobby kind of range. Maybe we'll start doing Prism by like a 2-boxer or something to that degree. Like we got Optic 2-boxers in the store right now. You know, so expect that. And this channel may shift to a 5-day-a-week channel where pretty much it's just going to be me. Unless I got to take time off for whatever reason. But we might shift the channel Monday through Friday like that as well. So just kind of a heads up. Stay tuned for it, guys. Nothing's guaranteed. Nothing's set in stone yet. But just so everybody kind of knows the direction of this channel. We're still going to be offering retail SKUs. We're still going to be offering some memorabilia as they trickle through and as we develop that as well. And eventually I'd like to do a kind of like a mid-end repack as well. Good luck. Oh, hey, top loaders. Midnight. I like it. Guam Chief, where you at? Guam Chief? What's up, Vandy? Vandy, what happened to Profar? What up, Saru? Oh, yeah, you are. Okay, you are in Guam. Okay. For some reason, I thought you might not have been there. I was thinking you were international, like somewhere in Asia, to be honest. Good luck. Castle. Pink of Nas Reed for Darturney on the die cut. AJ Johnson. There's a case hit. Short print of Anthony Edwards for Darturney on the Z team. We saw the gold jaw the other day. And there's the Ant-Man on the Z team. Profar. Profar got suspended 80 days. Plus he's not playoff eligible. Oh, what am I talking about? Braves. Never mind. Wrong team. Peyton Orange. Filipowski. Edie on the base. First Camel to 25. Did anybody guess Nikola Topic for $40 in Blezbucks credits? Kolibali Red. Ooh. Oh. And our first goal of the day. It's Donovan the Spider Mitchell. SoCal Sports 10 of 10. If no guess on a toe pick, Donovan Mitchell would also be a guess. If not, we're rolling. We're rolling the whole break. I'm rolling the entire break until somebody hits. Somebody needs to hit. And that's the bottom line. Keontae purple. Bronny on the base. Jersey. DeJounte. Certified blue to 35. 49, 49. My bad. Red of Cam Thomas. That gold or red? Gold team autograph of Ja Morant from the University of Murray State on the red autograph for AK. I'm not gonna lie, I'll be dead honest with you. I think I've food more Jaws in the past 6 to 8 months than I've done in my entire career. Straight up. Like, you can add up every year I've broken, even on his rookie year. I've probably pulled more Jaw autos in the past 8 months than I've done the past 5, 6 years. That's how crazy that is. Nice hit. And you know me, I get excited anytime I hit PC pieces. Oh. Nasty blue of De Silva for the Magic. I'm awake, guys. I'm awake. Castle base. Red of Saloon for the Hornets. MK. Saloon. Red of Paul George. Mighty insert. That was box 1. Congratulations, AK. Remember now, AK, when you give me the Rodman pricing, don't forget now, AK. Don't forget, AK. Wouldn't want something to happen to that, beautiful jaw, right? Achoo. That's box 1. Nice hit. Oh, that was a great box. You got a Z-Team short print, and you got the jaw. It's pretty sick. I'm teasing. Yeah, you should see my revamped PC. I literally had my PC like down to like maybe like a stack yay size. Now it's probably like yay size now. But usually every year I try to pick up, I'd say 5 new cards, 5, 6 new cards. But I'll try to pick up stuff that I truly enjoy. And you know, it ain't gotta be $1,000 items, trust me. I enjoy buying the $50 cards, the $40 cards, you know. All right, so the guess is still active. The guess was the first number to 25 or better. So Topic or Donovan Mitchell on the gold. That was a really good box. That's what we're used to here. Was that by choice? Or was that just by coincidence because you buy the Pistons a lot? Kind of like my Bruno Fernando PC. All right, here we go. Good luck. Daddy, I love Hisoka. Love hitting a jaw. We hit a jaw at 7:30 in the morning. What a better way to start your morning. Seriously, not even kidding. Red of Daddy A. Holmes. Missy on the graffiti. Johnny Furphy. Ooh, nice. Game used. Blue certified baller jersey piece of Paulo. AK. On the Paulo game used. Fox. Nasty. This is the second one I've hit. For the Thunder. AK having a break on a red Rain Man 1990 rookie. Sean Kemp, 25 of 75. 1990 or 91? Gotta be 90, right? Because Skybox, the gold borders, was his rookie. 90 or 91? Shit. It gotta be 90. Gotta be 90. I stick with 90 for right or wrong. Ooh. Purple of Dalton Connect. Jersey. 2 of 99 on a Connect. Nice purple color match. Trae Young, red on the Mighty. Kaishan. Oh, Matas. I thought that was a red. Matas on a graffiti for the Bulls. McWiggy. LeBron James on the blue. Nice boxes, guys. And Garnett for the Wolves, blue. Tobias Harris, orange. Matas base. Box 2. Box 2. Sick patches. They did this product right. I want to hit a 1-of-1 patch. 1-of-1 patch or 1-of-1 patch auto would be great. Let's go. Let's go. Blazers. Let's go. Last box. Good luck. Shepard on the graffiti and Larry Legend on the red for Shani. Terrier rookie. Ricochet. Is that Camel? That is. For the Hawks. Somebody had to have got the guess for $40. Lucky Go. Who guessed Ricochet? I'm pretty sure somebody got it. Shepard. Jersey game used of Maxi. Colt gets $40 in Blez Bucks credits. Remind me at the end of the break, Colt. And congratulations, Cade. Our last autograph is once again red. Okay, something's got to be wrong with that. Another Tayshaun Prince autograph. Come on. 48 of 49. That's my second one in 2 breaks. All right, we'll accept that. Our other 2 autos are great. I'll accept that. Oh, no rookie autographs. I'm not shedding. I didn't shed on him. I just was like, wow, we just hit him in the last break. Shepard 2-color red jersey match. Or jersey color. Jersey colors. Color match. I mean to say color match. Shed. Klingon blue on the Mighty. McCain. Simmons. Collier. Maxi. Clintman. Khalil Ware. And Kelly Oubre. Ozzy, I'm sorry. Why would I poop on people, Brian? Nice break. That's more like it. That's more like what I've seen in this product. Definitely not, Turner. Definitely not. Turner, me and you need to like really like heat up. That's not like me and you, Turner. That's not like me and you, bro. Exactly. All right. I'm going to recap this, guys. I am adding in a 6-box certified break, guys. It will be our last 6 boxes. It is going to be my only one, so please stand by. Please be ready. Get your CT scanners and your bots and get all those things ready. All the prices is the same. I just doubled the pricing from this break. So if the pricing looks stupid, it's because I didn't put 129 or 59. I didn't do any of that. I just doubled it straight up, so everything's the same for you. I have 4 of the 6 boxes here. The other 2 boxes I have tracking on. They will be here today. Hopefully 8, 9 o'clock. But if not, 10 o'clock-ish. So it could be here in as early as 30 minutes or so. It could be here as late as like 10 o'clock-ish. And worst case, if it didn't ever show up, it would be tomorrow. But it's very rare that a shipment didn't come in. Oh, nope, not using that top loader. Recap. And of course, beating the sort for my brother. Sean Kemp on the red, certified competitor auto. But how about a gold team, a red autograph of the man out of Murray State, 43 of 49. It's Ja. Congrats, AK. I'll add both of these in your Beat the Sort bio. That's going to be a stand piece. That is the break. Thank you, everybody.